Picture this. Monday morning, IT sends one email effective today. ChatGPT is blocked on the company network. Too much company data walking out the door. And your boss turns to you and says, cool, so build us our own a private one. By Friday, here's the thing. That's actually doable in an afternoon. Let me show you. This is Bionic GPT. It's an open source, self-hosted ChatGPT. Same familiar chat window your team already knows, but it runs on your hardware. It answers from your company's own documents and no data ever leaves the building, team's permissions, your own models. It's the whole private AI stack in one box. The plan is two moves. First, I get it running on my laptop and prove it works on real company documents. Then, because a laptop can't serve a whole office, we put the exact same thing on a server. So everyone logs in, move one local. Install is one file. You grab Bionic's Docker Compose and bring it up. Postgres with PG Vector for search, the document parser, the retrieval engine, and the app itself, all wired together with one command. Give it a minute to pull and it's live on localhost port 3000. And the first thing it asks isn't a login, it's which brain to plug in, and Ollama is right there at the top, already pointed at my machine. So this runs 100% local, no OpenAI key, no cloud, nothing leaves my laptop. One click and Granite, an open model from IBM, is wired in. Now the part that makes it yours. I build a dataset, call it company docs, and drop in our actual paperwork, the HR policy, the leave policy, the expense rules. A product FAQ Bionic parses each one, chunks it, and builds a private searchable knowledge base. About 7 seconds later, it's done. Now the test. I attach our leave policy right here in the chat and ask a question no public chatbot on earth could answer. How many casual leaves do I get at Technova? Watch. It doesn't guess. It opens the document, reads it, and answers. 12 casual leaves per calendar year. It even shows you it read the file. That's not ChatGPT making something up. That's your own rulebook talking back. Ask the same thing to a chatbot that hasn't read your docs, and here's what you get. As an AI language model, I don't have access to your company's policies. Contact HR useless. The difference isn't the model. It's that this one is grounded in your files. And it's not a one-trick pony. Attach the expense policy. What's the daily meal limit on domestic travel? 800 rupees. The HR handbook. What's my notice period? 60 days. Every answer reads straight off the page it came from. This is the onboarding buddy every new joiner wishes they had. Now the part IT actually cares about teams and role-based access. Finance documents stay with finance. Interns get the handbook, not the payroll. You decide who sees which dataset, and every single question is written to an audit trail. This is the governance layer ChatGPT never gave you. So it works. It's private. It's grounded. It's governed. There's just one problem. It's running on my laptop. The moment I close this lid, the whole thing goes dark, and my team of 10 is locked out. A private ChatGPT nobody else can reach isn't a product, it's a demo. We need this on a server, which is exactly where today's sponsor, Hostinger, comes in. Their VPS plans are built for this. And here's the kicker. Bionic GPT is a literal one-click template in their Docker catalog. So the thing I just hand-installed with a Compose file, on Hostinger, it's a button. I grabbed the KVM 2 plan, 2 cores, 8 gigs of RAM, plenty for a small team's private AI, under $9 a month, and with the code on screen, even less. Pick your location, checkout, done. Inside the panel, Docker Manager, Catalog, Search Bionic, and there it is, Bionic GPT. On-premise ChatGPT Alternative Team Chat RBAC, I hit Deploy, and Hostinger stands up the entire stack for me. No Compose file, no terminal, same app on a real server with a real address. A minute later, I open the server's address and there's Bionic, live on the internet on our own box. I set up the same Granite model, upload the same company docs, ask the same questions. If that felt like deja vu, good. That's the whole point. And that's the trick to the whole afternoon. What I prototyped on my laptop at lunch is the exact same software now serving the whole office from a server. Same chat, same docs, same private by default. You didn't learn a throwaway toy. You built the real thing twice, and the second time was a button. Straight talk, the pros. It's genuinely private. It runs any open model. There's no per seat pricing. You get real teams and audit logs and an OpenAI compatible API so your devs can build on it. The cons, and there are some, on a small box with no GPU, answers are slower than the cloud. You'll want that server's muscle. The shipped compose file had a broken image I had to patch to get document parsing working. And a 3 billion model is great for grounded lookups, not deep reasoning. Know what it's for. So if your company won't let AI near the cloud, or you just want a ChatGPT that actually knows your business, Bionic GPT plus a Hostinger box gets you there in an afternoon. Link and coupon are below. If this saved your Friday, subscribe. I build one of these every week. See you in the next one.